Today I'm going to replace fuel pump on the 96 Corvette.
First, determine you're not getting any fuel pressure. To do that, open the hood and find the Schrader valve on the fuel rail. The later C4 generation Corvettes with LT1 and LT4 motors, the Schrader valve is located on the back of the engine on the fuel rail. Key turned forward but not running, there should be pressure at the Schrader valve. If not, you need a new fuel pump.
It is right down in here.
This should be the same repair for all C4 Corvette fuel pumps.
Works. T15.
Simply remove the 4 Torx screws. You will need a T15.
Next, the rubber grommet. And that'll give you access to the...
How much dirt didn't fall down in the gas tank when we remove this, but now I gotta undo this clamp, and that clamp, and it should pull right out. Line and the vent hose, you just undo the bolts. I'll be replacing the unit with a new Delphi fuel pump. There we go, out with the old, in with the new. Looks like it should be a pretty simple swap. Push the sock through the bottom of the bracket, disconnect the electrical connection, and pull the pump out. After installing the new insulation sleeve, sock, replace the unit onto the sending unit, and install back in the tank. Now drop it back into the tank, connect your fuel lines and electrical connection. Tighten up the bolts that hold the unit into place. Reinstall the rubber boot. Finish up by installing the fuel filler door. Turn the key to the on position. This will prime the pump and get the fuel from the gas tank to the engine.